The legal landscape for Google is increasingly tumultuous, as the U.S. Department of Justice has filed an antitrust lawsuit alleging the company's monopolization of the search and online advertising markets. These markets, worth billions of dollars, have been dominated by Google through a combination of exclusionary agreements and anti-competitive practices, according to the lawsuit. The potential financial ramifications are staggering, with estimates suggesting up to $600 billion could be at stake if Google is forced to divest parts of its business. This lawsuit is not an isolated legal challenge for Google. The search giant is also grappling with a recent court decision that favored Epic Games, leading to mandated changes in Google's App Store policies. This ruling underscores the broader scrutiny and regulatory pressures that Google is facing on multiple fronts. The core argument against Google is that its market dominance, bolstered by exclusive distribution deals, has severely limited competition and stifled innovation. Competitors have found it increasingly difficult to gain a foothold in these markets, raising concerns about the overall health of the digital economy. Critics argue that consumers suffer due to the lack of choice and potentially higher prices resulting from reduced competition. Google, on the other hand, contends that its business practices are fundamentally pro-consumer. The company insists that the integration and efficiency of its services provide significant benefits to users, arguing that disrupting this ecosystem through legal action could have unintended negative consequences for consumers and the tech industry at large. Nevertheless, the Department of Justice is steadfast in its position. The case against Google is seen as a crucial test for antitrust laws in the digital age, potentially setting precedents for how other tech giants might be regulated. Legal experts note that the outcome of this lawsuit, and similar cases, could reshape the tech landscape significantly. They caution, however, that breaking up a complex, multifaceted company like Google would not be straightforward and could lead to prolonged legal battles. As Google navigates this legal maelstrom, industry watchers and policymakers alike are keenly observing the situation. With so much at stake, including the potential for a landmark redefinition of antitrust enforcement, the world waits to see how Google and the courts will play their next moves.